cleaned up. We got one more race to do. Then we're gonna get an oil change in the Demon. So now we're headed to Edmore, where I had someone drive the Demon, get it dropped off so we can get the Mickey's put on, so that way tomorrow we'll be ready for the 131 drag strip. See if we can get in those 9s, get her picked up, and then we're gonna winch the Hellcat up on the trailer. I don't know, serviced out, get it ready for the drag strip, get all that rubber off. I'm kind of curious on weighing how much, you know, rubber's stuck up in the wheel wells, get the weight down. So anyways, we'll check in with you at the tire store and go from there. Alright, so we got winch on it, on the trailer. See if we can get the old Hell Kitty loaded up and actually start to figure out what's going on with it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. Poor old girl. Drag her up on there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Huh?
Inside the car and turn the wheel, Scott.
I don't think you can get inside from this side, but you got to. I wonder if we should do that and pop, see if we can get in the trunk and
Trunk what? You can't stick in the trunk.
put a battery in it.
It was kind of like an offset system, like the plow. You know what I mean?
God, it looks like.
Hop in there, Harry. Go in there.
Yeah, I can't get in. That's my
Or
problem.
you can open the fucking door.
Oh, shit. Who would have thought that sucker would open like that?
Who would have thought that would work?
Who would have thought a door would open?
Let me put these on the back of the car real quick.
What are you doing in there behind the blankets?
Let's take a look, see.
Hey, Kevin.
Turn it towards the right.
You get in there. Huh? Oh, look at you. You can drive it. You want to see if we can get a battery and get it in gear, in neutral? No? All right, turn it back straight. 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 Straighten it out.
There you go.
You cranked it off too much. You hit the fender. You're ruining it. Not a lot though. You don't need to get crazy. Car's already been gotten crazy enough with, huh? So the car's already been heading crazy enough. But how are we gonna keep that down with the winch up?
What?
Because that's gonna want to pull that down.
I was going to let it slide across the bottom of the car. No, it's going to hurt. It's going to be fine. Push the button. Hold on, Harry.
Come on, Harry. Get your ass up in there.
You have to push on it. Push. Stand on that big ass.
That's not, that ain't gonna make offset that blend.
So good job. You went all the way to the car. Come. Hey, I know it works just fine.
Huh? locked? Locked and loaded. Well, we're gonna have to clean out the junk, and I want to put it up on that lift.
It's 3 o'clock on a Friday. We haven't started the Sunday.
Hey,
Probably should start on a Monday.
shut
Clean
up.
out the junk over.
There's like a little bit of. Quit fuck crying.
Probably better drive it past the scene of the crash for you. Okay?
Stop.
You don't want to drive past here, do you? Bring back old memories.
I just walked it out.
Oh, my money.
I just walked it out. Come on, bring the skid steer down. Alright, so we're gonna bring skid steer down and unload the old Hellcat down the barn so that way we can get it up on the lift, which won't be tonight that we do that because we're going to get the Demon ready to go racing. So I ain't got time to mess with the Hellcat today, but at least we'll have it down there so we can get to the next step, which is going to be figuring out how bad it is, get some panels pulled out, get on the lift, and ready for this winter. So as we get the old Hellcat pulled back home, we'll decide to probably get the boat out for now. I'm thinking I'd like to get it up on the 4-pole lift I already got, so I can just put the other 4-pole lift in, but we'll see how we do it. Still not for sure. But no, let's think on that. I think we may take the 87, put that on the boat, and get that out of our way for now. That's for the reason why we gotta get all these lifts up. Got the Trans Am in the way, still got the Ford. We want to keep this bay open to work on stuff, and that over there for projects. And so I think that's what we're gonna do. So Colton's excited to see the Hellcat back, which if anybody's been watching the channel, they know Colton loves the Hellcat more than the Demon for some odd reason. But this is the 87 that we will, one more time, do a full review on. But right now we don't have that kind of time, but as you can see, the interior is like new in this truck. And anybody that knows much about Chevy pickups, this is like one of the most desirable body styles. Got pulled off, put away. You can see the old 70s Chevelle hood. Alright, so now we got the boat all put away. I was going to put the 87 away, but I think we're actually going to get this thing detailed up before we end up putting it away anywhere. So now we're going to check in on the Demon, see how he's coming and making progress with that.
That stuff you can spray and just rinse it off.
Oh, man.
Build up in there? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, really, a lot of it. Look at how much.
I bet you there was 3
down.
pounds on each side. At least.
Handful of rubber. Just get a scraper and we'll scrape it out.
Bob West was at the car wash when I was there. He said back when he had a truck that he took to the drag strip, baby oil before you run it, and it wipes right off when you're done.
Right, but that's still wouldn't help me here though.
On the, no, but on the paint.
And that's where it's getting.
It's pushing this piece right out though.
Oh, thick the rubber is. Definitely weighting us down. Huh? Get cleaner, Hugh. Alright, so we got the Demon all the rubber off from underneath it. Got her all cleaned up on the outside, looking good. Now we're going to just figure out whether we're going to trailer this thing tomorrow or not. just because I want to do that other call out. Got probably cleaned up probably 10 pounds of rubber off underneath the car. It's just amazing. I mean, as you can see, I'm in there scraping off, but it took probably an hour to scrape all that off. Oh. Yeah. But sorry, this video is jumping all over the place. Just trying to throw in, getting the Hellcat down here. The Demon ready for drag racing. So now the Hellcat's in here, which we're gonna probably pull it out once, and then we'll put up another lift, because we actually have 4 of those 4-post lifts and a couple 2-posts, actually 4 2-posts and 3 more 4-posts. And we're gonna see if we can get at least the Hellcat in here, and then I want to get that Charger down here next, and you know, that will be our projects after while doing the Duramax. So we want to keep that bay open with the 2-posts, so that way we got a place to work on stuff. But anyways, I guess I'm kind of jumping all over, and I just want to make sure everybody knew that's what I was kind of doing. I know the video's been kind of all over the place, so yeah, that's where we're at, and hopefully we can get to the bottom of this car and start making some content on it. And then hopefully tomorrow we get some 9s with the old Demon. Got her all waxed up and looking good.